We'll guide you through how to make a stand in Please Donate Mobile. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you need to go to a stand which says unclaimed at the bottom here. For example, this stand here is already claimed because you can go and see that person's named, although it did just become unclaimed. But yeah, go up to an unclaimed stand and go and hold on the button to go and claim it. And you've now gone and claimed it. So at the top here, you can go and see some text, which we can go and change, and then you can go and see donation buttons. If you haven't got any there, don't worry, we'll show you how you can go and add some, or add more as well. And then to go and edit your stand, you click and hold on that sort of circle again, and the edit booth menu will open up. So firstly, you can go and choose what booth you've got, click on edit, you can go and see some here. So some of these here do have requirements for donations, but you can always go and buy more in the shop just here. Then you can go and add text as well. So come back to the edit page, you click on edit, and you can then type in what you'd like. So for example, I could go and put in test, just like so, and then press on the cross in the top right, and it'll then be updated. Next, what you can do is go and change the font. So click here, and you've got these different options. For example, Arial bold, it changes how it looks. You can then go and change the color of the text. Next, you can go and set the stroke color and stroke opacity, and you've also got the option for rich text as well, which you can go and customize the text with. And then you've got button customization, which is actually your donation buttons, but you do need VIP to go and edit them. And in the top right here, you can go and click on that sort of search icon, and that will show you your donation history. I haven't got any though. So next, you probably want to go and add some donation buttons. So to go and do that, you need to go and quit off Roblox. Next, you need to go and open up a web browser, open whatever you've got on your phone, whether it be Chrome, Safari, or something else. Then go and click on the address bar, which is for me at the bottom. And what you need to do is type in create.roblox.com, just like so, and go and click on go. And this will take you to the Creator Hub. And what you then need to do is go to the top right and go and click on login, and it will take a moment to load. And then what you can do is go and log into Roblox. I've entered my credentials and I'll go and log in, and here we are on the Creator Hub. And then what you need to do is go to the top left and click on the three lines like this and go and click on creations. Make sure experiences is selected and then scroll down, and by default, everybody will have this one experience. So go and click on it just like so. If it doesn't load the first time, just click it again. And now what you need to do is go to the top left again and click on the three lines and scroll down until you get to monetization products. And you can then go and click on passes. So if you didn't know, to go and get donation buttons in Roblox, you need to be selling something. So the easiest thing to go and sell is a game pass, and it's free to do as well. So click on create a pass. You've got the option to upload an image, and then you just need to go and enter a name. So I'll just go and name this awesome pass or something like that. Just do anything you want really, as long as it's within the Roblox rules. Add a description if you'd like, and then click on create pass. Now it needs to be on sale for it to go and appear in Please Donate. So go and click on it again. You may need to click it twice, and then go to the top left again and click on the three lines and click on sales. And you can toggle on item for sale, and then go and click on price in Robux and go and enter the amount you want it to be. The amount you enter here will be the donation as well. For example, let me go and have a 3 Robux donation. Just remember, you'll keep 70%, and then you can go and click on save changes. And that's it. Now let's head back to Roblox. I'm now back in Roblox. I'll go to an unclaimed stand. I'll then go and claim it. And as you can see, we've now gone and added a donation button. So this could be your first button or another one, it doesn't matter. And that's it. We've now shown you how to add text, how to add donation buttons, and how to go and change your booth or stand as well. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.